Is your iPad stuck in guided access and refusing to exit no matter what you try? Whether you have forgotten the passcode, the side button isn't responding, or your iPad simply won't leave guided access mode, don't worry. In this video, I will show you several ways to fix the problem and regain access to your iPad. Let's get started. The first thing you should try is exiting guided access normally. If your iPad has Face ID, quickly press the top or side button 3 times. If your iPad has a home button, quickly press the home button 3 times. Enter your guided access passcode, then tap and in the top left corner. If Face ID or Touch ID is enabled for guided access, you may be able to authenticate without entering the passcode. If this doesn't work, move to the next solution. Sometimes guided access becomes unresponsive due to a temporary software glitch. You can fix this by force restarting your iPad. For iPads with Face ID, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, then press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. For iPads with home button, press and hold the home button and the top or power button together until the Apple logo appears. After the iPad restarts, check if you can exit guided access. If you previously enabled biometric authentication for guided access, you may not need the passcode. Triple-click the side or home button and authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. If successful, guided access will end immediately. If you frequently experience guided access getting stuck, you may be running into a software bug. Once you regain access, open the Settings app, go to General. Here, tap on Software Update. Install any available iPadOS updates. Apple often fixes bugs related to accessibility features in newer versions of iOS. If guided access continues causing problems, resetting your settings may resolve configuration issues. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Here tap on Reset, and finally select Reset All Settings. This won't delete your photos, apps or personal files, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords, wallpapers and accessibility preferences. If nothing else works, and you are completely locked out, restoring your iPad may be your only option. Keep in mind that this erases everything on the device unless you have a backup. Connect your iPad to a Mac or a Windows PC. Put it in recovery mode. Open Finder on a Mac or iTunes on Windows. When prompted, choose Restore. After the restore finishes, you can set up your iPad again and restore your data from an iCloud or computer backup. We have linked the complete tutorial on how to put your iPad in recovery mode and restore it using iTunes on Finder in the description of this video. So what if you forgot the guided access passcode? Unfortunately, Apple doesn't provide a way to recover a forgotten guided access passcode. If Face ID or Touch ID doesn't work and you can't remember the passcode, restoring the iPad through recovery mode is usually the only option. To avoid this in the future, consider using an easy-to-remember guided access passcode or enabling Face ID or Touch ID for quicker access. Those are the best ways to fix an iPad that's stuck in guided access. In most cases, a forced restart or ending guided access with the correct passcode solves the problem. If you have forgotten the passcode, restoring the iPad is usually the last resort. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below letting us know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.